Hi guys, we are Tech Dudes. We are here with a new video for the Redmi Y2. So now coming to the battery, it is 3080, that is 3080 milliamperes. Typical, its a minimum capacity is 3000. Now coming to the charging, it is a Type A port. It doesn't support fast charging and it is a non-removable battery with charging power is 5 volt 2 ampere. So this phone is just 170 grams, which is not that heavy, and it is compact in my hands. So the thickness is just 8.1 mm. The display is 5.99 inches, which is measured diagonally. So coming to the front camera, it is 16 megapixels with aperture of 2.0 and it is powered by AI, that is artificial intelligence, where it automatically focuses your face clearly. So now coming to the rear cam. The rear cam is dual rear cam and we get a 12 plus 5 megapixels. Its aperture is 2.2 and both the cameras, the front as well as the back, is supported with the flash. These cameras help us to record video at 30 frames per second. We can record both 1080 as well as 720. So the display is 5.99 inches when measured diagonally and it is 18:9 aspect ratio. Supports up to 1000:1 contrast ratio, which is a good thing. So now coming to the resolution. The resolution is 1440 into 720. So this phone supports both SIM cards as well as one memory card. So let's check it. So this is how it is. So both the SIMs are nano SIMs. Both supports VoLTE. Sensors. It gets all the basic sensors with the infrared sensor, which is especially given by Redmi. And we still get the audio jack, which is an excellent thing. Get two microphones, one at the bottom and one on the top, and we get a speaker. We'll add some video clips for you to check the sound quality.
Welcome to our viewers, and this is our first video, and we are Tech Dudes. And today we are going to unbox the OnePlus 6. It comes in three variants in terms of storage or ROM. The 64GB, 128GB and the 256GB. In the 64GB, it has only the mirror black edition.
When coming to the heating issues, I don't feel any heating issues, and this phone is able to handle PUBG and other games like Asphalt and all easily. And we had few lags in the beginning, but after a minute we couldn't find any lags. It went smoothly. We played this in a medium level, so that's great when compared to a 10K budget phone. Thanks for watching this video. Do like, dislike, share. Don't forget to subscribe.